Children, as your exams commence this month, so we have revision from today's class. So be calm and quiet and sit and study your portions. Don't play. Today we are going to revise our first lesson. So be careful and now itself start revising your lesson 1. Children, today we are going to revise our first lesson, watching yourself. Watching yourself. See, in this lesson we fully studied about self-control, isn't it? Self-control. Self-control is a kind of discipline you give to yourself. Okay, self-control is a kind of discipline you give to yourself. In this lesson we had one story also, the best mind. The best mind. See, once I am reading the story for revising this, listen carefully. Long ago in China, a great teacher had 4 bright students, Li, Chao, Ming and Chang. Each of the 4 thought that he was the brightest and the best student. One day, the teacher decided to test them. He told them, "You must not speak at all for 2 days. You have to remain silent for 2 days and nights. The one who passes this test will surely be the one with the best mind." All the 4 students thought that it was a very easy test, though a bit strange. On the first day, they went about their work silently. See, the teacher and the 4 students, the bright students, this teacher. See, the day went by quickly and soon it was night. So they lit a candle and sat silently by its light. Li was thinking about the future and Chao about the past. Ming was reading a book and Chang was busy writing a letter. Suddenly the candle went out. "Oh no, the candle is out," shouted Li. "You have lost, you talked," laughed Ming. "Ha ha, so did you, Ming," said Chao. "Hey, I am the winner," shouted Chang. "I was the last to break the silence." All of them looked at their teacher. "None of you has passed the test," he said. "Even you, Chang, you spoke when you should have been silent. What you all lack is self-control. To do well in life, you must not only study well, but you must also have self-control." Now children, did you recall the story? The story about the teacher and the 4 students, how they failed the test and how to use self-control is very very important. See, let's understand, when do you use your cycle brakes? On that day when I am teaching this lesson, I compare the self-control with cycle brakes, isn't it? Yes. So when you want to stop the cycle from going somewhere you didn't want to go it, self-control is like cycle brakes in your life. You use it to stop, think and make a choice. For example, if mother says, "Don't eat any biscuits before dinner," but you feel like having a few, then you should put the brakes on yourself. You should have enough self-control to not reach into the biscuit tin. Self-control helps you to be disciplined. When you have homework to do, self-control tells you to switch off the TV and complete your homework first. It tells you to put away your clothes and toys before bedtime. It tells you to get things ready for the next day. Self-control is a very important value to practice in the classroom, at home, and among friends. Just like good manners, self-control is also a habit you can develop. The more you practice it, the better you become at it. Having self-control makes you a happier person. It helps you to stop and think before you act and speak. It helps you to do things on time and to think of others before yourself. So children, in your first lesson, you have learned how to apply self-control in your daily life. You have to practice it more. You have to be yourself, watch yourself, and control whatever you can control in your daily life. Have to control it. Okay, so not only in your home, in public place also you have to use self-control. Don't forget this. You have to be very good person and also have to think and act. Okay, so must watch yourself first, then only you will become best mind. You can use self-control like what you can obey your parents, you can change your behavior, you can control your behavior, isn't it? If your mother say no, you should not do that thing, so you can control that. Then you can do your homework yourself, you can wear your clothes, so whatever work you can do, you do it yourself. You have to watch yourself and change that habits often, so that will be good for you and also for others. Before yourself, have to think about others also. Okay, so if you do that of yourself, the other will not get burdened, so do it yourself. Whatever work you can do it yourself. Okay children, now open your booklet and let's revise the question answers. Lesson 1, watching yourself. First room letter, choose the correct answers. First one, self-control is a kind of dash you give to yourself. A, work. B, discipline. C, medicine. The answer is discipline. Second one, long ago in China. Long ago in dash, a good teacher had 4 bright students. A, China. B, India. C, Japan. Answer is China. Third one day the teacher decided to dash the students. A, punish. B, wish. C, test. The answer is test. Fourth one, all the 4 students thought that it was a very dash test. A, easy. B, hard. C, tough. Answer is easy. Fifth one, among the 4 students, dash passed the test. A, Lee. B, Chunk. C, none. Answer is none. None means no one. See, discipline spelling D-I-S-C-I-P-L-I-N-E, discipline. China, C-H-I-N-A, China. Test, T-E-S-T, test. Easy, E-A-S-Y, easy. None, N-O-N-E, none. See children, you think this is a choose only, but in your exam question papers, sometimes the choose will be twistedly given. So you have to study each as a filling the blanks. So each and every spellings you have to study thoroughly. Okay. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, Lee, Chow, Ming and Chang were the dash students. 4, F-O-U-R, 4 students. Lee was thinking about the dash, future, F-U-T-U-R-E, future. Chow was thinking about the dash, past, P-A-S-T, past. Ming was reading a dash, Book. B-O-O-K. Book. Chunk was busy writing a dash. Letter. L-E-T-T-E-R. Letter. Match the following. Watching yourself. The best mind. Night. Candle. Self control. Cycle. Brakes. Watching yourself. The best mind. Night. Candle. Self control. Cycle. Brakes. Okay, children, have you all revised it thoroughly? So this week we have revised this lesson 1. The next class we will revise second lesson. So in this week fully you have to study this first lesson thoroughly. Next week I'll ask questions. Okay, have to answer it. So start studying today itself. Don't keep the book aside and play outside. Sit in your home. Stay safe. Take your booklet and prepare for your exams. Okay, don't waste your time. Time is very, very important and valuable. So don't waste your time. Now itself start studying. Your exams are coming soon. Don't play, get more marks. So creative questions are also there. Read the book thoroughly. Okay, children.